Good morning, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, bringing you your January 2nd surface map analysis for the second day of the new year. And we have a quite big difference as of this morning. Um, a good chunk of the country now is, you know, very cool as opposed to there for the last few days. There was like sort of a split difference, right? Literally right from like the middle part of the country on over to the East Coast and up to New England states. Um, there was this, there was just this, kind of even difference. Now you have this massive, massive change with storms that pushed through last night. That in the South they sort of ripped through. They weren't as bad as forecast. They spawned some tornadoes, but nothing, let's say, overly destructive, which is kind of what we hope. We don't hope for the worst, um, based on way things have been down there. And the East Coast has generally been in a malaise of blah, um, with gray skies, fog, warmer weather. Now, a front did come through last night with a lot of rain, or a good chunk of rain, and but it still hasn't. It's pulled down this front a little bit, but now we're awaiting the second wave, and that second wave is way down here in the Gulf, and that's the wave that we're kind of waiting for in the east to see what it might do in terms of a perhaps the first significant snowstorm of the year. Um, so the Gulf is sort of open for business, and it's going to plume some moisture here into the southeast, close to Texas, and basically from there, it's going to send a system that develops off of this wave right here, and this is the wave that could possibly be the snowmaker for the east, as it will ride this front, and then this sorry, and then travel reverse in a now depending on circumstances. It will traverse south of the Delmarva and then up the coast. Now, depending on several factors relating to uh, you know the cold, the antecedent cold, and the track of the low will determine if this general area gets. Now, it's not. It's only going to go so far north, so a lot of the models have it basically going not above that green line. And for the areas that would get most of the uh, significant snows would be contained to an area that is mostly South Jersey, um, Delaware, Maryland, and the Delmarva. So um, we'll have to wait and see, but it's sort of in the last several model runs, starting with yesterday, this has gone from basically a nothing event to maybe something not significant in terms of snow amounts, but something in terms of this could be the East's first significant snowfall. So right now, skies are gray. Uh, Temperatures are still in the 50s, and winds are coming out of the southwest. So we'll have a lot remains to be seen, and we'll have to see what goes on. Brandon Doherty, Della Weather Guy, with your surface analysis for January 2nd, 2022.